are going to shine through. And that there's probably what we're looking for. I don't think we'll need too much more than that. You can always play with this to suit yourself. And what we're going to do is create a new solid. And we're going to make the solid color white. And just go OK to that. And we're going to move that down underneath the text. We're just going to hide the text for now. And with the white solid selected, we're going to create a fractal noise. So an effect, noise, fractal noise. And we're going to go for probably a strings is going to be fine. And we might just change the noise type to a spline. And we're going to reduce the complexity a little bit. And just reduce the size, bring it down. Something like that I think is fine. And then we're just going to drop down the brightness, darken it a little bit, and then bring up the contrast. Probably bring the brightness back up a little bit more. You want some pure whites in it. And that looks pretty good. Now we're just going to give this a little bit of simple animation with a little bit of code. And if we alt click on evolution, we can type in time times 60. And that's just going to give us a little bit of movement over time. I'll just give that a RAM preview, show you what that looks like. And that's working fairly nicely. We could probably increase it a little bit. Let's go up to 90. Give that a RAM preview. It's important to get the right sort of movement because this is going to drive that dynamic sparkle. We'll go OK to that, and we'll just close that down a little bit. And what we're going to do is use the text, the highlighted areas of the text, as a luma mat of that noise solid. So if you use your track mat and just go luma mat on the text and give that a RAM preview, you'll now see that the highlighted areas on that text pre-comp are now dynamically changing, and that's what we'll use to drive the sparkling via Trapcode Starglow. So that's probably the movement we're looking for. That's going to work nicely. And what we'll do now is just give ourselves a bit more room. And we'll go back to our text layer,